Oh, I think Toadhog has the hiccups.
I'll say. And they won't go away. I can't get anything done around here. Whenever I start to do something like water my grass. See what I mean?
Yeah, wow. That's some case of hiccups.
I know. I wish they'd just go away.
I know. I'll scare his hiccups away.